This one's $100. I mean, I treat myself to a lot of dumb stuff, so why not treat myself to a luxury apron?
Since day one, I wanted to make the apron out of proper fabric, so using Japanese denim and Italian chambray, really elevating all the components. You know, you can make a salad and go and buy the ingredients at some random store, or you can go to the farmer's market and get beautiful rainbow radishes and have the best ingredients. So that's what we did. We used brass hardware, we used American webbing, we incorporated gorgeous fabrics, we made everything double stitch, reinforced the pocket corners, made the pockets to be at the right height, and then built an entire community around it. We did not overlook the fit of a female body. We did not overlook the fit of a larger set body. I wasn't about to exclude sizes. So from day one, our chef coats went all the way up to 4XL.
Ooh, this one's cool. This one's like goth army. This is like the kind of apron you wear when you're like butchering a cow. And this one's what you wear if you're working in like a cute French restaurant. It's got some flair. Ooh, this one's soft. The white, I mean, whoever's wearing this, like good luck, because I don't see this coming back from much in my kitchen. Gotta get my big head through it. I mean, like, I'm not gonna lie, the price point's a little up there. I think it's worth it. I don't know, they feel nice. So I've been baking all day and my kitchen is a total mess, but I feel great in my apron because I feel comfortable in it and I know I'm wearing it. I remember to use it and wipe my hands on it. That's what it's for. So it's super functional, super fashionable, and I absolutely love it.
I think we've totally made aprons cool. And not only just aprons, I think we've really helped make cooking even cooler. And it was around the time that chefs started to become like these rock stars. And we were outfitting the rock stars, so we became the designers of the culinary world.
I feel cool, which is rare.